Hello and welcome to Trading 5 Talents. In today's video, I'm going to be going over the lifestyle trading plan that I have to pay off my 2021 Tesla Model 3. So if you didn't know yet, I actually bought a Tesla. I just posted a video with the full price breakdown and the ordering process, so if you want to see that, go ahead and check it out. But here I'm going to break down the numbers that I need to hit in my trading goal in order to pay this off. So the total cost for the Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus that I purchased, $45,149.84. I didn't make any down payments at all, so I'm just financing the whole loan. And so, of course, I have the balance of the same thing. Now, the monthly payments are going to be $586.93 per month. Now, this is just for the cost of the car. I do plan on using lifestyle trading to also pay the insurance, but I'm just breaking it down between auto payments, and then I'll make a separate video and separate strategy for the insurance payments. So the payoff time is 84 months for this particular loan with an interest rate of 2.49%. Now, with all these numbers in mind, let's see what we have to do in order to make our goal of the $586.93. So we have to figure out how much to take out for our trading loan. Well, if we need to have payments of $586.93, I'm just rounding up to $587, then that means we need a loan amount of $15,000 even. So once I have this $15,000, I'm going to split it into two sections as per my lifestyle trading strategy, and $4,107 is going to be set aside, and that is going to be used to make interest-only payments back to this trading loan. So the remainder of that balance, which would be $10,893, I'll be trading the wheel with. And if I make 6%, which is my monthly goal, and I've been averaging much more than that over the past year and a half, then if I make 6%, I should be generating $653.58 every month from this trading loan. So what I'll do with that profit, $66 will go to my church in form of tithe, and then the remainder, which is $587, goes back to make my monthly payments for the Tesla Model 3. Now you can see if you crunch the numbers, there's actually 58 cents left over. I'm just going to leave that in my trading account, but I have the money now to pay my monthly payments for the Tesla. So let's go over to the spreadsheet that I created for this particular strategy, and we'll take a look at the numbers once again. Actually, before I get into the spreadsheet, I just realized that if this is the first time hearing about how I do the lifestyle trading, I should probably go through the setup so some of these terms make sense. So this is what I configured for my particular strategy to use an asset, which is the wheel strategy, to pay off a liability, which in this case is the Tesla Model 3. So I'll take out two loans. I'll take out a purchase loan and I'll take out a trading loan. Now the purchase loan is actually what is used to purchase the item. In this case, it's an auto loan that I got from my credit union. The item that I'm paying off is the Tesla Model 3 Standard Range Plus. Okay? With the trading loan, that gets split into two sections, so a larger section and a smaller section. So the smaller section is used to pay off the interest payments for the trading loan itself. So I'm just sort of recycling that back in to the trading loan. This larger section is what I'll be using to trade the wheel strategy. So again, that's an options trading strategy that focuses primarily on selling puts and selling calls to generate a consistent income every week and every month. Now, from the wheel profits, I'll be generating cash, and ideally, I'm generating enough cash to actually make payments back to the purchase loan, which in our case is $587 every month. So this is lifestyle trading, at least the way that I'm defining it. I'm trading so I can support a particular lifestyle that I choose to live, in this case, buying a new car. So now let's go over to the spreadsheet and see what these numbers look like again. Okay, here we are in the lifestyle trading spreadsheet, and you can see I'm trying to color code everything so it's easier to follow. Purchase loan is in yellow, as was in the previous slides. Trading loan is in green. So the purchase loan, this is what I took out from the credit union. These are the terms. These are the monthly payments, and this is rounded up. It's actually $586.93. Here's the trading loan. I need to borrow $15,000, and this is the rate, 3.9%. And so that rate, as of right now, has not changed. It's pretty stable, and I'm basing my interest off of that particular rate. So I need to set aside $4,107, and for the next 84 months, I'll be able to make the monthly payments of interest only out of that $4,107. The interest would be $48.89. So the remainder of this $15,000 is the $10,893, making 6% yields $653.58. Once I put that into my bank account, $66 goes into tithe. The remainder of it goes to make these monthly payments. I'll keep track of those monthly payments for the next 84 months, and ideally I'll be making more than 6%. So there'll be some months where I'll be able to make a double payment, and I'll reduce the overall lifespan of that purchase loan, hopefully significantly, over the next few years. So over here in white, this is what would happen if everything worked out perfectly, or at least everything worked out to where I made 6% only. And that is, I would be able to buy this Tesla, original cost $45,150. I would be able to buy it for $4,107. So how could I get such a steep discount? Well, what I'm actually paying here, and just one thing that I'm paying here, is the interest that I have to pay back to this loan. All of the monthly payments paying back to my credit union are going to be coming from the wheel. Okay, so I'm using an asset to pay for a liability. What I owe then is going to be just the interest that I'm paying back to this loan, because I have to close out this $15,000 loan. So in order to do that, I need to take $4,107 out of my own account and then pay back this trading loan. Now, if I make more than 6%, I'm going to be using that extra to not only make extra payments to reduce the length of the auto loan that I have, but also to cover this cost. So in a perfect world, I could trade and make more than 6% every month and then not have to pay anything out of my own personal budget for this new car. So once again, this only covers the cost of the car, but I'll make another video and another plan to cover the cost of the insurance as well as the accessories that I purchased for the car. So if you have any questions about this topic, about lifestyle trading, just leave a comment down below or follow me on Twitter at Trading5Talents and ask me a question there, and I'll answer it as quickly as possible. In the meantime, if you want to learn more about the wheel trading strategy and then also view my progress and how I use it for lifestyle trading such as this, then click on the subscribe button, turn on the notifications so you can catch all the updates. Until next time, trade wisely and take care.